Today we are going to learn lesson number 2. Stepwise gathering of information. It means stepwise collection of information. Here following steps to gather the information. Step 1, identify the goal and state it clearly. Step 2, analyze the goal and identify the requirements of the sub-task. Your step 3, identify the information required to accomplish each sub-task. Step 4, identify resources that can provide information on each sub-task. Step 5, record information in a notebook. They all are the steps to gathering your information. Here I give you one activity. You all are write the step into your notebook. We would like to keep fish as pets in our home. Why do you want only fish as pets and not a dog? Both of us live in apartment and we cannot keep dog with us. I would like to have some pets. Most of us like to have pets. So when we show the aquarium, we thought of having a small fish tank at a home. Your information, you can collect the information of fish tank at home and you put all the fishes. Okay, this is a good idea. How will you go about it? We have already asked our parents. They have agreed. However, they want us to find out everything about setting up an aquarium. We know very little about setting up an aquarium at home. We need to gather some information. We should do this systematically. Good. So, how will you apply stepwise thinking? We should first identify the main step and then work out the detail for each step. Your step 1, identify the goal and state it clear. For any task like planning a project and even or problem solving, first step, identify the goal and state it clearly. Discuss about the task with your partners and identify and define the goal, state it clearly. What do you think is the next step? We don't know the requirement for setting up an aquarium. We only know that we need to buy a fish, a tank and fish food. But how will I know what type of fish to buy, what size of tank is need and the total cost for setting up an aquarium? I also do not know how to maintain the fish or how to select food for them. Looks like you have many questions. How will you organize this question? Let's the know and unknown information. यहीं पे जो इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको पता है उसका लिस्ट और जो नहीं पता है उसका लिस्ट कलेक्ट करना. वी नीड, हमको क्या ज़रूरी है? वी नीड ग्लास टैंक और बाउल, फ्रेश वाटर, a few fish food, some decoration or artificial plants, air pump. Aquarium should be clean. Water needs to be changed regularly and water filter. I know. And unknown. What type of fish can be kept in the fish tank at home? Which type of fish can be kept together in the tank? How long do the fish live? How do we keep the tanks clean so that fish do not fall ill or die? What size of fish is suitable for the tank at our home? When it is cold, how should we take care of the fish? What is the preferable size of the tank for each type of fish? So here your step 2. Analyze the goal and identify the requirement of the सब टास्क मीन्स आपको ये सारे गोल को एनालाइज करना है और उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट को सब टास्क में आइडेंटिफाई करना है. आइडेंटिफाई वेरियस सब टास्क ऑफ द गोल. एग्जाम्पल एक्वेरियम नीड, fish tank, water and etc. Identify requirements related to each subtask. Example, type of fish, size of tank. List what you already know about the requirement of each subtask. List question to which you need to find answer. Categories them under what you know and what you do not know. Write in columns. जो आप पहचानते वो एंड नहीं पहचानते उसको अलग कॉलम से बना देना है. जैसे कि मैंने यहीं पे आपको शो अप किया ये वाले पिक्चर में, वैसे ही आपको करना है. आफ्टर आइडेंटिफाई द रिक्वायरमेंट्स, व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? वी नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई द इंफॉर्मेशन required to accomplish each sub-task. As there is a lot of information to be gathered, you can group the requirement into some categories like types of fish, characteristic of fish, living condition of fish, tank size and tank mass. Look at here, types of fish. What type of fish can be kept in the fish tank at home? What size of fish is suitable tank at our home? Characteristic, which type of fish can be kept together in the tank? Living condition, how do we keep the tank clean? Tank size, what would be the preferable size of the tank for each type? Tank mates, which type of fish can be kept together in the tank? And unknown, what types of fish can be kept in the fish tank at home? Which type of fish can be kept together in the tank? How long do the fish live? How do we keep the tank clean so that fish do not fall ill or die? Step 5. What size of fish is suitable? वो सब इंफॉर्मेशन आपको कलेक्ट करके स्टेप 3 और एक टेबल में नोट डाउन करना है. हियर योर स्टेप 3. आइडेंटिफाई द इंफॉर्मेशन रिक्वायर्ड टू अकम्प्लीट ईच सब टास्क. उसके सब टास्क में आपको आइडेंटिफाई कर देना है. टाइप ऑफ फिश इमेज करना है, इमेज ऑफ द फिश, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ फिश, लिविंग कंडीशन ऑफ फिश, टैंक साइज रिक्वायरमेंट एंड द टैंक मैच ऑफ द fish. Step 4. Identify resources that can provide information on each sub-task. Here, your step 5. Record all the information in a notebook. While finding information from people, be prepared with a set of questions. This helps you to not miss any important information. While finding information from resources like libraries, book and the internet, note down the information while you are reading. Classify the information under appropriate categories. A table is useful to record and classify information. Search all available resources to get answer for all the questions that you had listed. Look out for other important information regarding the task. Here, good work. Did you find any important information other than what you were seeking? I found that the temperature of water in the tank is important. I collect the address and phone number of some of the pet shop and of people who have fish as pets. They will be useful if there is an emergency with the pet fish. I have record of the information in the table. Many people advise us to start with a freshwater aquarium. So we gather information on a freshwater fish. I collect information on betta, corridors, and guppy. While noting down the information, I realize that we need to figure out the cost of fish, tanks, foods, and etc. So I inquired in the patch of nearby and added another column in my table. I also collect information on goldfish, zebra, dinosaur, and betta. This is good. Now let us consolidate this information into one table. Here I show you the table consolidate of information about fish gather. Okay, betta types of fish. This is the image of betta. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या है उसकी? इजी टू केयर फॉर, वेरी कलरफुल, वेरी एग्रेसिव टू बी कैप्ट अलॉन, मेल्स फाइट विद ईच अदर. उसका लिविंग कंडीशन क्या है? वाटर टेम्परेचर 21 to 29 सेल्सियस. टैंक साइज 10 लीटर की टैंक में वो आ जाएगा. टैंक मैच ऑफ द फिश कैन नॉट बी कैप्ट विद एनी अदर फिश. उसको दूसरी फिश के साथ नहीं रखना है. फूड फॉर द फिश, बेटा इज कैर्निवोरस फिश, शुड नॉट बी ओवर फीड. प्राइस क्या है उसकी? 50 to 100 रुपीज़ अकॉर्डिंग टू द साइज. टैंक डेकोरेशन, यूज लाइव और प्लास्टिक प्लांट्स फॉर डेकोरेशन. ये सारा लिस्ट मैंने फाइंड आउट करके ऐसे शो किया है. आई होप you all are make your own table on your notebook and you prepare to collect the information how we put fish into the tank. I hope you all are write down in your notebook and you prepare this type of chart. Thanks. Have a nice day.